সকলো অসমীয়া ভিউৱাৰ্ছৰ কাৰণে অসমীয়া ৰেচিপিটো মই ডেছক্ৰিপশ্যন বক্সত লিখি থৈ দিছোঁ। We always crave for some snacks along with our evening tea. So here's Kata Nimki, an Assamese version of Namak Pare, or a type of snack that you would find in Assam. We only need a minimal of ingredients to prepare this recipe or this snack. At first, to shorten it, we have to add salt, sodium bicarb, baking soda, nigella seeds and oil into the maida and shorten the dough until it turns or it looks crumbly. Now we have to add our milk, that is half cup of milk, little by little. You can also knead it with the milk instead of water, but I have used both, and you can use lukewarm water. I have almost required 1 cup of water to prepare this stiff dough, and after kneading the dough we have to cover it with a lid and then rest it for around 10 minutes. After resting the dough for 10 minutes, we have to create a spherical ball of around 20 grams or 30 grams and then flatten it with the help of the rolling pin. We don't have to flatten it up into much thinner or a thicker flatbread. And after the flatbread is prepared, we have to cut it horizontally and vertically or vice versa to form the shape or give the shape to the nimkis. This is how it is done. Indeed an easy step. On the other hand, I have put on heat of medium high flame the oil to fry. After the oil is heated up in this medium heat, you don't have to change the intensity of the flame. You only have to add the nimkis into it and fry again in medium low heat until it's turned golden brown. You don't have to worry about the color, as after you put it down, as soon as the nimkis will turn golden brown and allow it to cool, it will also turn crisp and the color will change slightly after it's cooled down. So this is the easy way of preparing Kata Nimki in your house. I hope you have enjoyed the recipe as well as the video, and I hope that you are going to prepare it soon for your evening snacks. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching.